Hi guys, just wanted to show you this gold trade I took on my live account. So basically I took the short here around 2353. I had a 70 pip stop and my target was about 220. So basically just to show you where I took it was looking at the 4 hour time frame. Price was basically stopping in here, resistance there, made a lower high. So I was watching this when the price came along there, and basically it was struggling on the shorter time frame. As you can see, many rejection candles there. So I just took it there, and then I'm riding it out now. So I'm just gonna close this trade for around 200 pips. Let's say close, and that's 200 pips on gold.